Have you ever looked at sine, cosine, and tan and wondered what is actually going on here? Don't worry, everyone feels that at first. But let's start simple. Take a right-angled triangle now. Suppose we focus on one angle, say angle B. The side opposite to it becomes the perpendicular. The longest side is always the hypotenuse, and the remaining side is the base. But here's the interesting part. If you take another angle, the naming changes too. Take angle A instead. Now the side switch roles. So the question is, why this naming rule? Honestly, it's just a convenient way to label sides based on the angle you choose. Nothing deeper than that. Now let's connect this to trigonometry. Once you fix an angle, you get your perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. From there we simply take ratios. Perpendicular over hypotenuse called sine. Base over hypotenuse called cosine. Perpendicular over base called tan. And here's the key idea. Why these names? There's no hidden science. Instead of repeatedly saying a perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, we just gave it a name, sine. Same for the others. So don't get stuck asking why P by H is sine and B by H is cosine. They're just names we assign to simple ratios in a triangle. That's it.